Hey, brothers and sisters. Today is June 30th, 2024. Busy day today. Um, Someone that I'm subscribed to, a sister I really think is really cool. She posted this on her community page about an hour ago. And she leaves a link for it as well. And I'm going to share it with you. But she posted bird flu in wastewater, California. Recent sampling data has revealed signs of the bird flu virus in 3 wastewater sites in California's Bay Area, including San Francisco. This detection is concerning as it is unclear what the source of the virus is, and investigation is ongoing. So I'm going to take you to the link. What is H5N1 bird flu? It's a subtype of the influenza A virus that primarily affects birds, but can also infect mammals, including humans. The virus has been detected in wild birds and domestic poultry, like chickens, in California, and has also been found in dairy cows in other states. The virus was detected in San Francisco wastewater on June 18th and June 26th, with additional hits seen at a site in Palo Alto on June 19th. And another on June 10th from the West County wastewater facility in Richmond. The testing was not specific to H5N1, but the presence of genetic evidence of bird flu is suggestive of the virus. Health officials have stated that the risk remains low for the general public, as the virus has not been identified in California cows, and the source of the virus in the wastewater is unclear. However, it is possible that the virus originated from bird waste or waste from other animals due to San Francisco's sewer system. I just want to mention, I've shared this in the past. A while back, I heard upon awakening one morning, underwater sewage breached. The San Francisco Department of Public Health is working closely with federal, state, and local partners to investigate the source of the virus and determine the extent of the detection. The investigation is ongoing and further information will be released as it becomes available. And I just want to share part of this clip. It's a video I did a while back about a dream I had. Hey, brothers and sisters. Today is April 14th, 2023. Just wanted to reshare a dream that I had. I can't even remember how long ago it was, but I've shared it in the past. And in the dream, I saw a bunch of people walking around holding their stomachs. Like their stomachs hurt. And then I saw Sister Gigi, who's a good friend of mine, and she lives kind of in LA County there in California. And I saw her holding her stomach, and then I looked at her and I said, "Don't drink the water." So Brother Paul he sent me this article. I also wanted to mention a while back I've shared being in this forest, and there was this man with me, and he seemed to have some kind of authority. And I saw this long, skinny chicken coop full of chickens. And then he looked at me and he said, "It's time to cover them up." And he had one end of a big, long black sheet, and I had the other end, and we covered up the chickens. So I just had to share this, you guys. Jesus is getting ready to come. Don't fear anything. Believe on him today. He died in your place for the remission of all of your sin. He was buried and rose again on the 3rd day for your justification before God. Just believe. Love you guys. Hold fast.